Hi. I'm going to talk about first time buying a home explained. When one decides it's time for them to find a home of their own, there are numerous challenges and obstacles involved. Unfortunately, far too often, the planning to purchase the best home for their needs and financial abilities, even though, for most people, that house represents their single largest financial asset, is inadequate. After over a decade as a real estate investor in the state of Illinois, I believe it would make sense for potential homeowners, especially those buying their first home, to prepare financially, adequately, and intelligently. With that in mind, this video will attempt to briefly consider and discuss a 7-step approach to proceeding effectively and in a prepared manner. 1. Get a copy of your personal credit report at least 6 months prior to beginning your house hunting. Get a copy of your personal credit report and review it thoroughly. Take steps to correct any errors and/or mistakes in order to be as prepared as possible. This can either be done by yourself, or one can take advantage of using professionals who might do so for you. Remember, the better your report and credit score, the better your mortgage terms and ease of securing the best one for you. 2. Correct, fix and address. Don't merely get a copy, but correct it. If needed, fix any deficiencies which might be detrimental, and address any issues or potential ones. Again, you can do so yourself or use the assistance of a professional. 3. Save as much as possible. Be prepared with the necessary funds for your down payment, as well as any other funds needed for closing. In addition, begin to accumulate as much of a reserve as possible in order to maximize your enjoyment and reduce the stress. 4. Do not open any new credit accounts. Often, when we shop, the store offers their credit card and informs you there will be a discount if you do so. However, this is a false savings, because opening any new credit card accounts might negatively impact your overall credit rating or score. 5. Repay as much debt as possible. Mortgage lenders use a formula which weighs the ratio of your income to overall debt. Therefore, if you repay as much of your other debt during this preparation period as practical and possible, you will enhance your personal credit. 6. Accumulate down equals payment and reserves. The better prepared one is, the less stressful this period of time is. Be prepared with sufficient funds for the down payment, closing costs, and reserves. 7. Use a quality mortgage banker or broker. Discuss your situation, needs and requirements as far in advance as possible with a professional mortgage banker or broker. This individual should be able to provide quality, relevant advice, which will position you properly. Using these 7 steps is a great starting point in your home buying process. The better prepared, the easier and simpler the process will be. Another option too is renter-owned homes. Why? For example, if the home would typically rent for $1,500 a month, you may agree to pay $1,800 a month, with the extra $300 going toward the down payment when you purchase the home at the end of the lease term. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.